We are ready for lesson 2.2. The Common Core standard is to understand place value, and our lesson objective is to write 3-digit numbers that are represented by groups of 10. Let's look at page 61, the listen and draw portion. They want you to circle groups of blocks to show hundreds and then count the hundreds. Let's count by tens to figure out how many are going to be in our first 100 group. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's circle that. Let's count the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I like to count to double check because you never know if they're going to try to trick you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have 3 groups of 100 here, so that's 3 hundreds, which equals 300, they said straws, in this piece of paper. Let's flip it over to the back. Look at the model and draw portion. It says, what number is shown with 11 tens? So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they circled that with 1 left over. They have 11 tens, which is the same as 100 with 1 left over, which is 110. In the number 110, there is a 1 in the hundreds place and a 1 in the tens place because you have 100 and 110. Circle the tens to make 100 and then write the number in different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can circle this group. We now have 2 left over. So we're going to have 12 tens, which is 100, and 2 groups of 10 left over, which is 120. Let's look at the next one, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle that. We have 10, 20, 30 left over, or 3 groups of 10s. So we have 13 groups of 10, which is 100, 3 tens, which is 130. You can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 to check your answer. Let's do number 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to circle that. And then we have 4 left over. So this time we have 14 tens, which is 100, which we circled, with 4 left over, which equals 140 all together. When you're done with that, go to the next page. Remember, you can pause these videos at any time, and if your child is ever struggling, please write me a note in their binder and I will help them move through it more slowly tomorrow in class. On this page, I'd like for you to try it on your own. You're going to do the exact same thing we did on page 61. Circle your groups of 10, write how many tens, write how many hundreds, how many tens, and the final number. Please complete this for number 4, 5, 6, and 7.